Hello everyone. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a slider in HTML. So let's begin. You can see I've already written few tags which is HTML head, title and body. Now I will write input, type, it will be range, then ID, it will be my slider, then minimum value, it will be 0, and maximum value, it will be 200, or you can give any other number like 500 or 1000. Now value, I will set it as 50. Now I will start a paragraph, and here I will write value, then I will start span, and in span I will give ID equals to output, and now I will give it as 50. Now I will close the span and the paragraph. Now I will start script, and here I will write let slider equals to document dot get element by ID in brackets and within apostrophes, quotations. I will write my slider, and then I will again write let output equals to document dot get element by ID, and within brackets and quotations I will write output. Now I will write slider dot on input equals to function, then I will give first brackets, then space, then second brackets, and within second brackets I will write output dot inner HTML equals to this dot value. Then I will close the second brackets, and I will end the script, body and HTML. Now let's check whether it's working or not. You can see the slider is working perfectly, and as I am sliding the slider in both the directions, the value is also changing right here. The max value is 200, I say, and it's also showing 200 here. So if you learned something new from this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.